Hey, this is Elon saying thank you again for taking our free course, our introduction to all that is Sunbeam. I just want to share with you our order processes for our service and courses, which allows you to get in touch with unleashing your potential and securing your success for tomorrow. All our services and courses are available on the tabs above under the course and service. Yes, you can access our resume writing, career guidance, academic preparation, career preparation, organizational behavior, and our Jumpstart course, which gives you 7 modules of professional skills for your learning and development. Our steps are very simple. I just want to take some time to quickly go through them. Both can be accessed through clicking the tab, the Service tab and the Course tab. When you click these, you'll be able to see the different services available that you may want. Upon doing this, you click the service, and for our services, you'd have to request the book. Yes, we have made things to your convenience that you can choose the date and time that you want to meet us. This is the next step, so be sure to do that. If you're taking your course, when you click join, you will be prompted to sign up or log in. This is easy. Just use your email address or use your Facebook or your Google platform to link the network. When you fill out your details, all you need to do is to either click the request the book button or the buy now button. Your part is done here. Allow us to come in to review your application and also contact you for follow-ups for you to gain access and entry to the program. Your tomorrow waits, but you must take action now. Secure yourself for your future with Sunbeam. Good night, good afternoon, and good morning. Have a fantastic time.